Greetings from Edu Aspirants, our YouTube channel for competitive exams. With this video, we are beginning to upload a series of videos on general awareness, general knowledge, and current affairs of the bygone year, that is 2021 to 2022 up to March 2022. This is for your forthcoming examinations that we will have current affairs for you. Let us begin. There are 42 Ramsar sites in India. What are Ramsar sites? These are wetlands deemed to be of international importance. It was under the Ramsar Convention held at Ramsar, Iran, and the 42 recognized Ramsar sites in India are given here as site, the state or union territory where they are located, the date since they are located, and the area that they possess in square kilometers. Assam Conservation Reserve, Astamudi Wetland, Bias Conservation Reserve, Bhitarkanika Mangroves, Bhoj Wetlands, Chandartal Wetland, Chilka Lake, Deepor Beel, East Kolkata Wetlands, Harika Lake, Pokera Wetland, Kabartal Wetland, Kanji Lake, Kiola Deoghana, NP, Keshopur Miani Community Reserve, Koleru Lake, Loktak Lake, Lonar Lake, Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Nandur, Madha, Meshwar, Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary, Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary, Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary, Point Calimere Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary, Pongdam Lake, Renuka Wetland, Roper Lake, Rudra Sagar Lake, Suman Bird Sanctuary, Samaspur Bird Sanctuary, Sambar Lake, Sandy Bird Sanctuary, Sarsai, Nawar Jheel, Sastham Kotta Lake, Sundarbans Wetland, Surinsar Mansar Lakes, Sur Sarovar, Sokar Wetland Complex, Somoroli Lake, Upper Ganga River, the Bridgeghat to Narora stretch, Vembanand Coal Wetland, and the Ruler Lake. You have the states or union territories also given alongside, which you must remember. And this is not of significance, but area-wise, if you can remember the wetland which has the max area in the country and the least area. The United Nations has declared 2023 as the International Year of Millets. And what are millets? They are a group of highly variable, small-seeded grasses widely grown around the world as cereal crops or grains for fodder, that is for animals, as also human food. The 193-member UN General Assembly adopted a resolution sponsored by India and supported by over 70 nations, declaring 2023 as the Year of Millets. Leading investment professional Usha Rao Monari of India has been appointed by the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres as Under Secretary General and Associate Administrator of the United Nations Development Programme UNDP. The National Dolphin Research Center NDRC is being developed in Patna. That is important. For the conservation of the endangered Gangetic River dolphin, the Gangetic River dolphin is India's national aquatic animal. The Gangetic River dolphin is one of 4 freshwater dolphin species in the world. The other 3 are found in Yangtze River in China, This river, although is now extinct, in the Indus River in Pakistan and the Amazon River in South America. The Gangetic dolphin is found in India, Bangladesh and Nepal. Dolphins find their way and prey in river waters through echolocation, and Bihar has around half of the estimated 3,000 Gangetic dolphins that are there in India. The first geothermal power project of India is being established at Fuga village of eastern Ladakh. The other most promising geothermal energy sites in India are Tattapani in Chhattisgarh, Cambe Graben in Gujarat, Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh, Surajkund in Jharkhand, and Chumathang in Leh. The first energy field island of the world is being developed by Denmark. The artificial island in the North Sea will be equal to the size of 18 football fields. The energy island will be used to produce and store enough green energy to meet the country's electricity demands. The circadian biological clock, circadian is 24 hourly primarily, is controlled by a part of the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN, a group of cells in the hypothalamus that respond to light and dark signals. From the optic nerve of the eye, light travels to the SCN, signaling the internal clock that it is time to be awake. The first cellular phone was invented by Martin Cooper while working for Motorola in 1973, although the launch in the market was possible only in 1983. The Motorola Dyna TSC 8000X was the first handheld cellular phone that allowed people to make longer distance calls. The Department of Atomic Energy, DAE, has confirmed that small deposits of uranium were found at Kasha Kaladi in Shimla and Tileli in Mandi districts, both in Himachal Pradesh. Oriza punctata, also known as red rice or weedy rice, is a low-yielding rice variety that grows as a weed with better quality rice. As you grow the better quality rice, alongside this grows as a weed. Iron-rich red rice is grown in the Brahmaputra Valley of Assam without the use of any chemical fertilizer and is being exported to USA, where it is in high demand. Also known as Shyama Tunnel, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel, and formerly known as Chenani Nashri Tunnel, is a road tunnel in J&K on National Highway 44. It is India's longest road tunnel with a length of 9.28 kilometers, that is 5.8 miles, and the country's first tunnel with a fully integrated tunnel control system. The Union Territory of Lakshadweep is the first organic agricultural area Union Territory of India. That is, only organic fertilizers are used for the whole of the Union Territory. The first such state is Sikkim. Olympic news. Breakdancing, now an official sport, will debut at Paris Olympics in 2024. If you remember, skateboarding, surfing and sport climbing debuted in the Tokyo Olympics, Japan in 2021. The new Parliament complex, the structure of the new Parliament building, the foundation stone of which was laid by the Prime Minister in December 2020, will have an area of 64,500 meters. It will have a basement, ground, first and second floors. The height is being kept the same as the previous building, which is here the old Parliament House, then the new under construction, and the cost will be around 861.90 crore. Tata Projects Limited shall build it under the Central Vista Redevelopment Plan, and it is near the existing Parliament House. A little more on the Parliament complex. The seating capacity will be 888 members for the Lok Sabha and 384 for the Rajya Sabha. And the number of entrances to the Parliament will be 6, with 120 office spaces. The interior of Lok Sabha will have the theme of peacock, the national bird of India. And zoologically, it is known as Pavo cristatus. The interior of Rajya Sabha will have lotus, the Nilambium nuciferi, the national flower, and the ceiling will have fresco paintings. You can see the design here, which you will see physically once it is ready. This brings us to the end of the first video in the series of videos on general awareness, general knowledge and current affairs. Thank you for viewing. Remember, these videos will be of great help for the forthcoming examinations like NDA, CDS, B.Ed entrance exam, CAPF exam for the police forces and the likes, which are in the 6 to 8 months from now. Best wishes for the same. Please subscribe, like, share, and do press the bell icon to receive notifications on uploads.